Now I mix the color. This is lamp black and oxide black from Amsterdam. This is usually the brands I use. I use both of them because the one is more brownish and the other one is more grayish. And so to get a deeper effect, I use both of them. I put a little bit with a Q-tip here, and then I mix it with water. To make it a bit more soft and not so thick. Usually when I start to do the stone painting or the water drops at all, it's very good to have daylight, or the best is sunlight, because it's very, very difficile and precise, and the eyes like it better if it's very, very light. So I cannot do it with artificial light. So you can see I've mixed it now to a not so fluid, but sort of a fluid consistence. Difficult to say that, I know. All the fluid artists always want a recipe. This is difficult. This is more intuitive. And also what I use is Kleenex to clean the main stuff. Otherwise I have to change the water all the time. This is nervig. So, and now let's start. I take this, for example, this coverage from a little bottle, put it here into the black, and to test how it works. Okay, you see. Okay, so then it's the right consistency. I can use it on my prepared stone. As I said, I wash the stone before with tap water and dishwasher soap, and then I rub it with isopropyl alcohol to get all oily stuff or whatever off. And if it's dried, I can use it. Then I do this again. Here, another test. Okay, so mostly it's that way. When you show it, it doesn't work, but let's see if it works. And we put it here. It's a bit too thick and too watery, but it doesn't matter. Here on the cardboard it's better, so I have to do another one here. So this is round. I take this as a shadow. This is okay. So this is the big one. Don't forget to clean it right after, because otherwise it's hard and it's difficult to get it off again. Sometimes I forget it. That's why this covers look so used. Another, this is from a brush, a cover like this here. It's a brush cover, and so I use those because they're perfectly round. Take another one from here. Test it. Okay. Have another one. Okay, you see it's not really a circle. Okay, this is done as well. I take another Kleenex. With the black, it's always a mess. Clean it, sort of. And I decided to do 4 sizes. This is a more little one. Where do I put it? I put it here. Ha, this one is good. And a tiny, tiny, tiny little bit, a little brush cover. This is, oh, you have to be careful with that, because if you take it like this, you have to blow into it, because otherwise it will smash the whole surface. Perfect. No, not perfect, but sort of. So this is it. Don't use that anymore, so I can take those covers away. So this is the first effect. As you can see, just adapt on covers. Thanks for now.